If you're running Facebook ads, you know that how much interest targeting is important to get great results. But the sad truth is, Facebook ads is really great for interest targeting. I'm not telling that it is a sad truth, but the truth is that whenever you type an interest over there, for example, if I want to target interest related to dogs, so whenever I type dogs over there, a similar list occurs every single time, and because of that, the bid cost or CPM rates are really high sometimes, and we need to figure this particular problem, because if we not, then we may not get low CPMs, and because of that, our profit margins can be low. I am not the first person to share this thing in YouTube, right? I have read this particular thing on Facebook group or somewhere else. I was also amazed by the solution that the person shared on a particular Facebook group, and from that I'm just sharing my experience with you guys so that you can also actually use this particular knowledge to leverage your Facebook ads. So we will dive into my computer and we will see some examples. So for example, if I will search dogs over here, and if I will search dogs, you can see a similar kind of will appear in every single system, or every single Facebook ads business manager, and that is why the CPMs are sometimes really high. If I will search for cats, let's search for cats, and you will see a similar kind of list will occur every single time when you will search for cats, and because of that, you will not have a lot of option to choose interest targeting. But how to beat this problem? So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to developers.facebook.com. You have to come to over here, you have to click on, you have to just scroll it down, or you need to click on my apps. Now we need to create an app on Facebook. Do not worry, we are not going to do any coding over here, but we are just simply need to create an app. I have already created an app here, but I will just create an app for your sake to show you how an app is created over here. So select an app type. We need for a business, right? I will just click that. I will click on next and display name as, for example, test. Your email address you can put over here, and business account. So you need to have a business manager for creating an app, and for example, I have a lot of business accounts, so I can choose any of that. Let's choose this, and I will click on create app, but I will not do this because I have already an app for my business, so I will not create an app because it will create confusion for my business and all those kind of things. So you can, after you have created an app, you will see that particular boxes appear over there. Now what you need to do after that is you need to go to developers.facebook.com/tool/explore. I will give this link in my description, so check my description for that. After that, what you need to do is you need to click on Facebook app here, click on the app that you have just created. So for example, I have created interest targeting one, right? User or page, user token. So just click over there and this is done, right? After you have done that, let's see, let's choose this. Okay, now we have done this particular thing on the page, we have chosen that, and after this, Facebook will automatically generate an access token for your app, right? So I will just copy this particular token. Let's copy this token, let's paste it somewhere else. Let's paste it here. Okay, I pasted the token that Facebook had just given me, and after that there is a link that you need to paste in order to find winning interest. So for example, this is the link that I will use. I will just copy this link, I will paste it here, but there are something more that you need to do. Now for example, here you need to type add interest and Q is equal to keyword here. Now that means that you need to paste the keyword that you want to get interest about. So for example, I want to get a lot of interest about dogs, so I will just give the keyword as dogs. Let me just go to let me just copy and paste once more. Okay, I will come over here, I will go and search for dogs over here. Now here in the access token, I have to actually give my access token over here. I will delete this part, I will go to this particular page, I will copy this, I will come over here, I will copy this again, paste it here, and I will search for this. And let's see if this works. If this works, and you can see we have got a bunch of interest that Facebook has given us for dogs. Now you can see over here the names. For example, dogs, British brand. Now this particular thing is not present in Facebook Ads Manager. Let's see over here, let's compare it, and you will see how much this is powerful for your business. So for example, I can see dogs, okay, British brand is present, my apologies. I will see more over here. Dogs Naturally magazine. The size of this is I guess it's around 497,000. That's pretty good, but let's see how much it is over here. And yeah, it is also present over here, so it is not that helpful right now, but you can see a lot of things are here. So for example, here I can see a dog's purpose film, and that is good because films sometimes do pretty well. And let's see if it is present over here. Nah, it is not present here. So that means if you do not do this process, you will not find winning interest for your particular for your particular keyword, that is dogs. And that means you will be using the same keyword that Facebook wants you to use. That means a lot of people are using that interest over and over again, and that means your bid cost and the CPMs are really high. And that means you are going to spend more money on Facebook, and that is profitable for Facebook but not for you. So you have to use this process to find some hidden interest, try that out here, and make sure that the audience size is always above 500,000 or 1 million, because the broader your audience is, the more your ad will perform great. And that's my personal suggestion to you guys. So always do this. So for example, if I want to not go with dogs, let's search for something else over here only. Let's search for we should search for, I guess we can search for cats. Let's search for cats and let's see what are the results over here. Let's search for cats over here. Let's search for this and let's see what are the things. Okay, we have got a lot of results over cats here, and we can see something like the cats meow, and this is actually, the audience size is really less over here, so I will not recommend you to use this. But at the same time, there are a lot of things that is something that is a list of cat breeds. That is really good. Let's see if Facebook provides us with this. I am skeptical that Facebook will not provide us. I guess they will not provide us with that. Okay, so Facebook has not provided us with that particular interest, so that means that we can use this interest, list of cat breeds. I will just paste it here, list of cat breeds, and let's see what is the result. Okay, now Facebook is suggesting this particular thing after I've written that, and the audience size is really good, and that is how you find a winning interest for your campaign, right? I think this is powerful enough. This is not the first time anyone has shared this process, but this is the first time I have shared this process, because I have also found it, I think 4 or 5 weeks ago, and I have shared this process with you guys because it's actually a really good process, to be really honest. So that's it for this video, guys. This is a short and simple video to explain you the process on how you can find hidden winning interest for your Shopify or any kind of business if you are running Facebook ads. If you find this content valuable, I will really appreciate if you can smash the like button and subscribe to our channel, because we regularly post some really helpful and valuable videos relating to e-commerce, relating to digital marketing and online business. But our main focus is over e-commerce, because we are doing that and we are documenting our journey towards building a successful e-commerce business. Till then, see you on another video.